Welcome to our complete guide on using VMware Fusion on Mac. In today's video, we will explore its features, benefits, and how to get started quickly and efficiently. Before we dive in, let's check the system requirements to ensure your Mac is compatible with VMware Fusion. You need a Mac with an Intel processor, at least 4 GB of RAM, and macOS version 10.14 or later. To start, download VMware Fusion from the VMware website. Once you've downloaded the installation file, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Now let's create your first virtual machine. Launch VMware Fusion. Select Create New Virtual Machine and follow the prompts to get started. After creating your virtual machine, it's time to configure its settings. You can adjust memory allocation, processor counts, and many other performance-related options. Next, let's install an operating system on your virtual machine. You can choose from various options like Windows, Linux, or macOS. We'll cover how to do this effectively. Now that your OS is installed, let's talk about VMware tools. This is essential for enhancing performance and integration between your guest and host operating systems. If you plan on running multiple virtual machines, it's crucial to manage them effectively. We'll share some best practices to optimize your workflow. To facilitate smooth operations, you may want to share files between your host and guest operating systems. Here, we'll explain how to do it safely and reliably. Lastly, let's troubleshoot some common issues you might encounter while using VMware Fusion. We'll provide practical solutions to keep your setup running smoothly.